Good morning, everyone. One of the key pillars at Tupperware under Care for Food philosophy is storing food the right way. Today, I would like to tell you about refrigerator storage. How to store whole fruits and vegetables in your refrigerator so that freshness, nutrients are retained and shelf life is increased. The solution for storing whole fruits and vegetables is the FridSmart. Even after they have been picked from the farm, they are breathing. This leads to their eventual decay. There are three categories of fruits and vegetables: heavy, moderate and light breathers. By regulating the airflow around the fruits and vegetables, you can increase their shelf life. The Tupperware FridSmart is designed with a unique venting system. Two vents open are to store heavy breathing fruits and vegetables like coriander, spinach, curry leaves, peas, broccoli and sweet corn. One vent open and one vent closed are to store moderate breathing fruits and vegetables like beans, lettuce, carrot, green chilies, cabbage, cauliflower, citrus fruits, apples and pears. Two vents closed are to store light breathing vegetables and fruits like mushroom, brinjal, beetroot, cucumbers, strawberries, tomatoes, figs and grapes. The integrated grid in the container keeps the contents away from moisture that is collected at the bottom. How to store cut fruits and vegetables. Cooking is efficient and easier when you have done all your chopping prep in advance. Most of the time, we don't cut our fruits and vegetables in advance as we are worried about losing freshness. But again, Tupperware has a solution for you. The Cool and Fresh range of products. Be organized by decluttering your refrigerator. Cool and Fresh saves space and time. Comes in two convenient sizes, 1.2 liters and 2.5 liters. They are stackable and can fit on top of each other. It has a breathing seal and therefore allows your cut fruits and vegetables to stay fresh much longer. How to store your cooked food. A lot of times we need to store cooked food in the refrigerator. A lot of times it can be meal prep or it could also be leftovers. We have the perfect solution for you, presenting to you the Tropical Cups and Bowled Over. You can make your refrigerator organized and colorful with these two products. The Bowled Over and Tropical Cups has a liquid tight and airtight seal, which ensures that food stays fresh and is equally useful when carrying gravies. Conveniently fits inside a bag or a purse so you can carry your favorite dishes on the go. Now finally, I have the Wonderlier bowl, the bowl that started it all for Tupperware. An all-purpose bowl with a liquid tight and airtight seal. The Wonderlier bowls can be used for storing and serving food and can be carried on the go as well. In addition, you can also make and store dough, set yogurt and whisk batters because of its unique bell shape. Which space in your refrigerator is the most underutilized? It is your freezer. With Tupperware's Freezer Mate, it is going to change. The Freezer Mates are designed to utilize the entire depth of your freezer and are modular so you can stack on top of each other. Faster, more efficient freezing because of rounded edges that allow better airflow. Airtight seal which ensures there are no icicle formations around your food. This is just a glimpse of the refrigerator range that Tupperware offers. Using these products will help you organize your refrigerator and reduce wastage. So connect with your nearest Tupperware consultant to get the complete range of Care for Food solutions and offers this April from Tupperware.